Good morning, my name is Scott Roberton, and today we are going to walk you through hull number 5 of the 35M Puro series by Ocean Alexander. Each of these series we've done something a little bit different, and on hull number 3 we did a side door garage, and on hull number 5, which you're going to see this morning, is a complete beach club layout. So as we make our way into the beach club from the hydraulic swim platform that's on here, which is done through a transformer, you will see this enormous size of a beach club. Completely air conditioned. Volume inside this beach club is just enormous overall. We've got a drop down television, we've got ice maker, we've got refrigeration in here, and then we also have direct access into the engine room. Now we're going to take you up to the aft deck and then we'll walk through the salon. So we are on the aft deck of the hull number 5 of the 35M, and this is a 24.5-foot beam boat. And when you're on this aft deck here, and as we go through the exterior of the boat, you're really going to feel the volume that this 273 GT boat offers to you, the buyer. And it's an exciting vessel overall, I will tell you, just because of the true volume that this boat brings to the table. As you look at the aft deck here, you're going to see just a really nice seating for 10. And if this boat has 5 staterooms on it. So with having 5 staterooms, all of our seating layouts through the exterior and interior will offer seating for 10. We've got a drop down television from the ceiling here. And then we also have great refrigeration and ice maker as well that's offered on the aft deck. Now we're going to make our way into the salon. These are electric doors, which make it easy to come and go. But you are going to see this is going to be our nautique interior wood. We are in the salon now, and one of the things you're going to notice very different about the Puro series from the Legend and from the Revolution that Ocean Alexander offers is this has very much of a European design to it throughout the interior and exterior design of the boat as well. This vessel, along with our 30M and 40M, are designed by Giorgio Cassetta, and our other models, which are done by Evan Marshall. What they do is none of these really compete with each other, but our clients that really want to look for a European interior, but with the domestic height and ceilings and width of hallways that Ocean Alexander has always offered, this is the vessel that gets it done. So as you can tell in the salon that we're in here, we got ice maker and refrigeration up here as well, which makes it very convenient when you're on the interior. And then we've got enormous seating on the port and starboard side, but a great natural light that comes into the boat due to the floor to ceiling windows. So just forward of the salon, we've got our dining room, which isn't far off from the galley. And we're really going to show off the galley on this boat because of its volume and size that it offers for a 35M yacht. This table here will be set for 10 due to the 5 staterooms that are on the boat. Now as we make our way into the galley, one of the things you're going to notice is just the sheer volume that this particular galley brings to the table. And as you go out and look at 50M yachts and 44M yachts and look at what the galleys offer for a chef, you're going to notice this sometimes throughout the industry, this is 2 to 3 times in size, which makes it really nice for the chef and then also for cleaning afterwards. But few features within this galley that Ocean Alexander implemented was one, a provisioning door for the crew. The crew in this boat is forward, so when they come up out of the crew's quarters, they can use the access through this galley and out this side door to go out and service any of the outside areas without disturbing the owner and guests in the interior. So it's a big plus for how this galley is set up with the crew's quarters. As you make your way forward, Wolf appliances, we've got sub-zero refrigeration, we've got a wine cooler and another ice maker in here as well. We are now on the on-deck master of the 35M Puro. Of course, this boat is a 5 stateroom yacht, this master being full beam to the vessel. But one thing you'll notice as you kind of look through this room is you're going to notice the detail work that Giorgio Cassetta put into the different colored ceilings, to the walls, to the texture of the wood, and just accented this in so many different ways instead of just doing the normal wood continuation all the way through. So got great windows here. You can see your stainless trim, you can see your different wood in here. But one of the things we have is a full walk-in closet here as well. And then on the starboard side of this stateroom, we have full additional closet space as well. And this actual head arrangement for the master stateroom is a his and hers. So it's nice because we got the toilets on both sides and the shower in the middle. All right, we are in the lower level of the 4 staterooms. Each of these staterooms have in-suite head and showers. But to give you an idea of the forward rooms of this, they have 2 singles in each of these rooms, and these beds actually slide together. So this bed right here will just slide over that nightstand, and another nightstand appears, so it's easy for the crew. And then there's a set of sheets that does this. In the room next to us over here, we're gonna show you how that is set up, just so you can get an idea when the beds are together. You can see how this makes into a king-size bed here. So your main 2 VIP guest staterooms, this is one of them here. You have one on the port side and one on the starboard side. You've got somewhere between a queen and a king-size bed in here. So at the end of the day, this vessel will almost give you 5 king beds throughout the 5 staterooms. But like I mentioned before, every one of these guest staterooms down here have in-suite head and showers. But you can see the natural light that would come in from this window on the port side of this particular stateroom, and just the volume of this pure stateroom of its own. So as we make our way forward of the salon up to the Sky Lounge, you're gonna notice that one is the architectural design of this stairwell, but into like an atrium feel in this 35 meter, which is, when it's all said and done, this is something that's very difficult to design into a yacht of this size. But Giorgio Cassetta figured out how to get it done, and it is one beautiful piece to this yacht. So I'll make my way up on these stone steps into the Sky Lounge. So we are up in the Sky Lounge of the 35 meter Puro, and with this vessel, as mentioned before, at 24.5 foot beam, one of the things you're gonna notice is the volume that's in this particular Sky Lounge area. But this Sky Lounge offers full walkarounds on the exterior for the owner and the guest to be able to access the bow of the boat while they're accessing the bridge deck of the boat as well, without having to come through the interior. One of the neat features that the Puro series offers over the other 2 series within our line. All right, we are at the Helm area. One of the unique features that this Helm offers to the owner as well as the captain is we have 3 chairs up here. So when the captain's running this boat, he can actually have his engineer, his mate up here, and if the owner wants to join him, he can sit right next to him and really enjoy the view and what's really going on with the nautical side of the boat. But we have Furuno equipment on this vessel, on hull number 5, with 32-inch screens. The boat's equipped with 0-speed stabilization, hydraulic, as well as a bow and stern thruster. But one of the details you'll notice that Ocean Alexander takes the time to do is in just a simple helm seats that you have up here is the diamond stitching in the Ocean Alexander emblems that they actually instill into these actual helm chairs. The chairs themselves, where you put your foot down, the wood insert actually matches the floor. All right, we are on the bridge deck now, which is just aft of the Sky Lounge. And again, for alfresco dining here, you're gonna notice a table for 10 due to the 5 staterooms on the boat. But you got your electric grill, which is up on this level for the chef and everything to be able to cook out here. And then each of these levels throughout the boat are gonna offer ice makers. And each of the ice makers are kind of unique to their own. On the bottom floor, it makes top hats. On this bridge deck, it's gonna make bourbon balls. And up on the sun deck, which we'll see next, it's gonna make square actual ice cubes as well. So refrigeration up here, but some really nice seating as we talked about. But back in this area too is lounging areas and a little card table that's offered as well. As we make our way around the Sky Lounge, which we mentioned earlier, our other models, you have to go through the interior. The 35 meter offers this walk around the entire Sky Lounge to give your guests and the owners access to the bow easily, as well as your bridge deck. So as we make our way forward, here first to my right is gonna be the Helm, easy doors on the port and starboard sides to access this area for the captain, which he has wing stations here on both port and starboard side as well. So when they come into the marina and wanna do docking or leaving the marina, it's very easy for him. The designers of yachts today have really put a lot of focus on bow entertainment areas up in the forward part of the boat. And Giorgio Cassetta on this particular one hit a home run for sure. So this area is just absolutely enormous in size. You've got so much room up here in flexibility. So right behind me, you're gonna notice this thing is complete U-shaped seating with a table here. And in front of me, what you're gonna have is a hot tub jacuzzi that is covered by a sun pad. When you want that actually exposed, what you'll do is you will take that sun pad and it runs on tracks and it will fill into this area right here and make this into a complete sun pad. So as we talked about on the bow of the boat, the creativity from the designers and really making a focal point of making the space up there, these sun decks have grown in size over the years as well. And by not having a hot tub or jacuzzi up here and putting it on the forward part of this boat, left every bit of this square footage for relaxation, a bar, and additional seating in the back. We are in the crew quarters now of the 35-meter Puro. There's 3 staterooms that are down here, one for the captain with his own private head and shower. And then in the forward part, we've got 2 other rooms on the port and starboard side that have over-under bunks. And the nice thing about these over-under bunks is they're not directly over the top of each other. We've separated them to give them a little bit more comfort when they're sleeping in them. But each of these rooms also have their own separate head and shower. To my left here, you're gonna notice the 2 full-size commercial washer and dryers. And then as we make our way forward, we're gonna see that there's a beautiful dinette area in here for them, but they again have direct access up this stairwell to get through the galley and through the provisioning door to access all the exterior decks. We are now in the engine room of the 35-meter Puro. Again, this is hull number 5. The vessel itself is offering MTU 2,000 horsepower motors and also twin 55 kW generators. One of the things that Ocean Alexander has done with their design is really made it easy for the captain, engineer, and crew to be able to get around these engines and throughout the space in here to get and service all the important items. We know that if certain things are not easy to get to, they just won't get serviced. Thank you again for taking the time to walk through another Ocean Alexander with me. Again, this is hull number 5 of the 35-meter. And if there's any additional help, information, or anything we can get you, please don't hesitate to reach out.